Well, here we are again. Yeah, with Milo looking at me. Hi, Milo. Hello. Good boy. Yeah, he's over here. He still thinks he's a lap dog, but of course he can never get him in a lap. But all he'll do is get his head on my lap. That's about it. He weighs about 65 pounds now. And as of March 6th, he will be a year old. And I've got him back in January 3rd, so I've had him almost 2 months now. And he's kind of getting the idea. But he is definitely got a lot of energy. I tell you, this guy, a lot of people are saying, "What you gonna talk like that for?" He said, "Lab and a border collie? Are you out of your mind?" I said, "Yeah, I guess so, but he's fine. Why, aren't you, Milo? Huh?" Well, the strange thing is I've been spending money like a drunken sailor again. This is the other thing he likes to do. He doesn't get my lap, he just jumps on me. What? What do you think? Huh? Yeah. What? Did you find something you can chew? Huh? Jeez, this dog's something else. He's funny, actually. He is really funny. There you go. Well, I actually got something here I bought on eBay. And it's something I really wasn't planning on. I just happened to see it on eBay and I figured, I noticed who made it. It was made by Jackson, the same guys that made my signal generator up there, my old one up there. And what, you want the box, Milo? Huh? Oh. I know you're gonna chew on something. Here, play with that for a while. Here, you want that? Yeah, oh yeah. There you go, there he goes, he's happy. And he used a lot of foam, apparently. And, oh yes, you know, they still seem to use that same style and paint job on these that they did on the signal generator. And this is just an oscillator. Of course, it's a multi-frequency oscillator, but it's an oscillator. Now, the only thing is, I don't remember if it said it was working or not. But I imagine it may be almost as old as that one over there, which is made 1937. And it still works fine, but of course I had to redo it. But let's see if we can get this thing out of there more. Milo's come back again. Here, you want something else? Want to play with that? Go on. Just give him something he's happy he wanders off. Let's see if I can get it out of here. I used a lot of foam, so that's good. Nothing broke. At least not the glass or anything, so that looks good. Let's see. What do you think? I'm probably an idiot for buying stuff like this, but well, the dial kind of works, but it needs a little work there. Let's see. Let's try to get this thing out of there without dropping it on my foot. Would be nice. I don't know how heavy it is, but it's heavy. There was no lightweight. That's for sure. Whoop. Okay. Well, let's see. I have to do the rattle test first. Okay. Is it rattling? No. Doesn't seem to be. But I noticed one thing. The dial's a little bit on the, look how you turn it. It's a little on the sticky side there. I'll have to work with that. I think it's probably because that needle looks like it might be bent, so we have to bend it back, but it'll go all the way over. What, Miley? You try to find something else? What? No. What? No, you only, here, eat the box. I don't care. Here, well, here, take the box away. Okay, get it over there. So, yeah, I got this. Also, I actually got something for the M37. And I've got it in a box out there. I'll have to show you that thing too. And I haven't been able to work on this Heathkit signal tracer because of dummy here taking up most of my time. I'm just trying to get, you know, him settled enough so he can at least be comfortable with videos, you know. But let's see, push button. Yeah, push button works. Well, not too bad. Well, it seems like everything that all the controls should work. Although I have no idea what it looks like inside. Let's see if I can find any other nameplate on there. Besides the fact it's a Jackson. A Jackson model number 640 test oscillator. That's what it is. Yep. Okay, so it's got the frequency range. What we got down there? Yep. Oh, this is microvolts down here. This is where the frequencies are: A, B, C, and D. I guess they're the preset ones. And then, of course, you can use these. Use that guy. But yeah. And I guess it used to have a handle on top because it had a place for it, but of course this thing never had anything. And let's see what the outlet looks like. I'll have to change that one. You could really get that one messed up. They're both narrow, not one fat one and one narrow one like it should be, but oh well. We'll have to put a new cable on it anyway. I wouldn't trust it anyhow. Especially it was made around 30s. 37 to 40, I think is what they were made. But yeah, it'll be interesting to try to see how this one works. I don't know about the schematic or anything else. I haven't seen anything on it. But I will eventually here. So it's a model number 640 test oscillator made by Jackson. I think it's Jackson Instrument Company. That's what it is. But so anyway, that's what I'm doing with that. I'm gonna have to do some research on it first before I start working on it. And I gotta watch Milo because that's why I gotta remember where he's at, don't I? He's had a bad habit. In fact, he finally chewed up some of my furniture. Bookshelf I had. Started chewing the wood on it. So I started looking around the yard, and sure enough, I have a pile of 2x4s in the corner. He's rounded out the top of the 2x4s. I mean, his teeth are strong. Not to mention the fruit trees. I cut them back, so I had a bunch of branches on the ground. He's playing with them. He's running around the yard with them, chewing on them. And now, see, right now, you hear that ripping in the background? Yep, he's ripping the box up. Just something else to chew on, that's all there is. But, yeah, so, he's something else. Milo, what are you doing over there? Oh, you moving it? He's moving stuff over there you can rip up, too. The styrofoam or whatever it was, foam stuff, the packing. But, yeah, so that's all we're doing right now, and I'm going to go ahead and do some more on this. And probably tomorrow I'll do another one on opening my other package I have for the M37 and show what that is. So that's just going to be it for now. Talk to you guys later. Bye.